In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to turn on the discount feature and then apply a percentage or flat amount discount right on your invoices, estimates, or sales receipts. First, we need to make the discount option available on your sales forms. In QuickBooks Online, look for the gear icon at the top right and open Account and Settings. Head to the Sales tab. In the Sales Form Content section, click the pencil edit icon. You'll see an option labeled Discount. Turn that on so the discount field appears on your forms. When you're done, click Save, then select Done to lock in the change. This quick setup ensures you don't have to use workarounds like negative line items, and it keeps your totals clean and easy to read for customers. Now let's add a discount to a transaction. Start by creating a new sales form. Select the New button and choose whether you want an invoice, an estimate, or a sales receipt. Fill out the customer details, set your terms if needed, and add your products or services with quantities and rates like you normally would. As you scroll to the bottom of the form, you'll see the discount field. This discount applies to the entire transaction subtotal, and QuickBooks will automatically update the totals for you. Choose how you want to apply the discount. If you select the percent option, enter a number like 10 to take 10% off the subtotal. If you prefer a specific dollar amount, switch to the amount option and type the exact figure you want to deduct. Keep an eye on the totals to make sure they reflect your intention. If you don't see the discount field, go back to Account and Settings to confirm it's enabled in Sales Form Content. When everything looks right, select Save. Your discount will be clearly shown on the form, so your customer understands how you calculated the final amount. A quick tip: use percentage discounts for promotions like seasonal sales, and use flat amounts when honoring a set adjustment, such as a goodwill credit. Also, double-check your product and service list for accurate pricing so the discount is applied to the correct base amounts. That's all there is to it. Enable the discount feature once, and then apply a percentage or flat discount whenever you create your invoices, estimates, or sales receipts. Save your changes, and you're ready to send a polished, accurate document to your customer.